Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, just log in with your credentials and activate your Cloud Shell. Okay, just simply click on activate Cloud Shell. Click on continue. Now just simply search for the Kubernetes cluster or Kubernetes engine. Just open this thing in new tab. Now just simply come on the task number 1 and copy this external IP carefully. Okay, just copy this. Go back to your Kubernetes engine, click on this create. From here choose the autopilot mode, click on configure. Wait for a second and you will get this kind of pop-up. Now just simply click on that. Now click on this unwanted and close this unwanted pop-up. Now just simply click on next. From the network tag just choose the Kubernetes. Okay, now for the node it must be trust Kubernetes subnet. Okay, now for the network access it must be private. Okay, now just make sure you have to click on this both the checkboxes. Now paste the your ID which you copy from here, IP. Now just simply click on next and click on create. Now that's the thing you have to do for the task number 1. Now just simply come on the task number 2. Okay, before that we have to just connect our Kubernetes cluster. So what we have to do, the second cluster, click on this 3 dot, then click on this connect option. Now just copy this command, go back to your dashboard and simply click on and hit enter and click on authorize. It will take a couple of seconds and it's done. Now let me just increase the text size for you. Okay, it's perfect. Now what you have to do, just come on the task number 2, copy this first command and run over here. It will take a couple of seconds, so just wait for that. And this second command, please pay attention for this command. Okay, I will share. Okay, so you can use this command from the description box. Basically what we have to do, just copy this command, just wait for this command get executed. I will let you know. Okay, so it's done. Okay, now what you have to do, just copy this command, paste over here, then give space semicolon space echo. If you just type this way, you will get a token in the new format. Otherwise what happen, let me just minimize a little bit. Otherwise what happen, your token and this student will be merged together. Because of that you might get confused from where to we have to copy. So I will share the link, this command in the description box. Also you can just copy this command and simply run over here. Okay, now what you have to do, just simply scroll down, copy this command and run over here. Okay, now it's asking for the token, so just copy this token carefully. Okay, the token will not visible for you, just copy that, paste over here and hit enter. You will get this kind of output. Okay, now just simply scroll down, copy this command, run over here, then simply scroll down, copy this command and just wait for this command to get executed properly. And it's done. Now run this command, the last command. Okay, now what we have to do, just wait until we get an external IP. Meanwhile you can do one thing, just copy this thing, go back to your notepad, okay, and paste over here. Now we have to just make the changes with our external IP. Let me just zoom in for you. Okay, and it's done. Now if you just copy this external IP and now press Ctrl C to terminate this thing. Okay, just press Ctrl C. Now just replace your external IP with this, like this. Now just copy all this thing, go back to your Cloud Shell and open this thing in new tab, and now click on advanced and click on proceed. Now just simply come on the task number, okay, task number 2 and just simply come on the point number 12. Just copy this password. Okay, now here just type admin and paste your password and click on create account. Okay, now we need a license key. So again what we have to do, I will share this command also. This is a command. Okay, so you can just copy this command, go back to your dashboard and simply run over here. Once you run, you will get a license key. So just copy this license key carefully from here, just copy that. Okay, like this. Make sure you have to copy this 4 row 5 row. Okay, make sure of that thing. Come back over here and paste. Make sure with now click on register. So this thing has been done. Simply click on close. So if you just go back to your live instruction and click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Now basically what we have to do over here, if you didn't get a score, no need to worry, because lab take time to update a score. Now what we have to do over here, just simply click on this unwanted pop-up. Now just click on this manage option, then click on this defender. Okay, then click on this name. Okay, once you click on the name, you will get this kind of pop-up, this yellow bar. Click on this, click to add, wait for a second, again click on this advanced, and then click on this proceed. We have to do that. Once we do that thing, our external IP will be activate or add over here. As you can see, this add. Now what you have to do, just simply click on deploy, and from here just choose your external IP like this. Now just simply scroll down till the point number 15 and the third option, just enable this thing. Okay, now just simply scroll down and from here just choose the Linux like this. Okay, once you're done with both the configurations, simply click on download YAML directory directly. Okay, so this file has been downloaded to your system. Now just go back to your Kubernetes cluster, click on this OK, and just wait for your autopilot cluster to be created. Once it's done, we can just move ahead to the next task. Okay, so just wait for a couple of minutes, and after that we will continue with the task number 3. Okay. Okay, so I just click on this refresh option. Let's see, and still creating. So just wait for a couple of minutes and let's see. And it's finally done. Now what you have to do, just simply come on here and click on this 3 dot of your cluster, click on this connect, then again copy this command, go back to your dashboard. Okay, just click on this cross and just paste your command. Okay, now just simply scroll down, and now just click on this 3 dot, then click on this upload, and now choose your file which you download from previous step. So just upload it like this and click on upload. Now here many of you guys face the issue while activating your Cloud Shell editor. So I will tell you the alternate way how to activate your Cloud Shell editor. So now what you have to do, just simply click on this open editor, and now here you can see it's initializing, and I saw most of the guys face the issue like it take too much time. So that time what you have to do, just click on this arrow. Okay, now here just wait for a couple of seconds. It's provisioning. Now just disable this thing and just make sure you just click on, make sure this pencil icon will be blue. Now click on this open new window, and now if you want you can just close this tab, okay, like this, and click on leave. Okay, now here you will get some VS Code kind of interface. Click on this open folder and click on open. Just wait for a second and your editor will be open for you. Now just click on this file and now just simply scroll down, copy this thing carefully and just search for it over here, Control F, Control V, and now just remove this 89 and 90 line number, okay, like this, and remove this extra space also. Please be careful over here. Now just simply scroll over here, again copy this path and again search for over here, Control F, Control V, and now here remove the line number 162, 163 and 164 carefully and remove this space. So that's the two thing over here you have to do. Now once you're done with that, just simply click on files and save. Done. Now just come back over here, copy this command, come back to your dashboard, click on open terminal, click on reconnect. Wait for a couple of seconds and it will be reconnected. It's done. Now run the command. So you are done with this task also. And if you remember, we haven't checked the score for the task number 1, so just simply come over here and click on check my progress and let's see if we got a score or not. And if we didn't get a score, I will tell you the alternate way to get a score on the last task. Okay, so we got a score for task number 1, task number 2 and task number 3 also. So just simply come over here. Now what we have to do, okay, just simply click on check my progress. Before we will not get a score over here because we have to just do one thing. Once we run this command, we have run this deploy defender command. Okay, now what we have to do, just go back to your Prisma Cloud. Okay, first of all just simply come on this manage option. You can see this thing. If you didn't get any output, just wait a couple of minutes or you can just move ahead to the next task. Now click on this radars and then click on this setting icon and then enable both the things like this. Okay, so we are done with that. Now just simply scroll down and click on check my progress. And we got a score for task number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now time for task number 4. So just copy this command, go back to your dashboard and run over here. Okay, then again scroll down, copy this command, run over here. Then copy this command and just wait for this command get executed. And run over here. So it's done. And here you can see all the status is pending. So now just wait until the status can convert into the running status. Okay, otherwise we will not get a score over here. Okay, okay, again come back over here and just rerun the command again, and the status is still pending. Okay, now you can see some are creating, some are pending. Okay, so now if I just simply click on check my progress, I hope you all got a score this time. and you can see we got a score. So we have to just wait for a couple of minutes and then we got a score. Now no need to run the task number 5. Okay, just simply come on the task number 6, and here what we have to do, just simply scroll down. Now just go back to your Prisma Cloud, then click on this manage, then click on this system. Okay, and then click on this white fire, and now click on and on it. Okay, now from here choose the global US like this, and then click on this upload option. Okay, just enable all these things as I showed. Click on save. So you have done with this thing also. Now just simply scroll down, and here please pay attention. Go back to your Kubernetes cluster, click on this. Okay, now click on this 3 dot of your Autopilot cluster like this as we done previously. Click on this connect and copy this thing, go back to your dashboard and just run. Okay, now here they have used the Vim. I will use the Nano editor because it's very simple for you. And now just copy this thing carefully. Okay, please pay attention. Okay, type nano nano space and the name of the file, paste that like this. Okay, for you the editor will be open. Now just copy this, all this content till here. Okay, just click on this copy option, paste over here. Now how to save this file, Control X, Shift Y and hit enter. Okay, just do that thing. Now just simply come over here, copy this and run over here. Once you're done, you will get this kind of output, means you have successfully saved the file. Now just copy this command and run. Okay, now just simply come over here, copy this command and run. And here you can see all the things are, some things are pending, some things are creating and some things are running. So if you just simply click on check my progress, let's see if we got a score or not. And we didn't get a score, so no need to worry about that. As I said, lab take time to update a score, so we will just move forward to the next task. So we don't have to perform the task number 7, task number 8. Just simply come on the task number 9, and here please pay attention because this is very important task. So just copy this command, first command of task number 9 and run over here. Okay, now here done. Now just copy this command, and here you can see, first of all, before running this command, just make sure this view app 1 and view app 2, both the things are pending and we don't have the IP for those. So just wait for a couple of minutes. After that we will get the IP for both of them and we can just move at the next last task of this lab. So again rerun this command and let's see if we got the IP. No, so just wait for a couple of minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes, and we will get the IP. Okay, now rerun the command again. So still we haven't got a external IP. Again wait for a couple of minutes and let's see. And after 2 minutes and 5 seconds we got our external IP. So now just copy this thing carefully. Okay, copy this, go back to your notepad. Okay, and paste over here like this. Okay, you can just remove this stuff. Okay, now we just need the IP address of our first, so you can just remove this thing also. Okay, now what you have to do, just simply go back to your lab instructions, scroll down, and first of all just copy this command, go back to your dashboard and run. Okay, now just come over here, copy this command, go back to your notepad and run over here like this. Now here what we have to do, just copy this IP, paste over here. Okay, like this, and make sure there is no extra space. Here you can see there is a extra space, so just remove this extra space and your command must be look like this. So now just copy all this command, and you can see the format has been changed. We are in the another directory, root @ machine. Okay, so just paste the command over here, and once you paste that command, you will get the output like hello world, as you can see. Now just simply go back to your lab instruction, copy this command, run. Okay, so we got the output as they have mentioned. Now just simply come over here, copy this exit command, run over here. Okay, then again copy this command and run. Okay, so that's the thing. It will take a couple of seconds to execute. Okay, and click on check my progress. Now one more thing, for example, after completing all the tasks, if you still haven't got a score for the task number 1, okay, it might happen sometime with you. If after completing all the tasks, if you didn't get a score on the task number 1, basically what you have to do, just go back to your Kubernetes cluster. Okay, just come over here. First of all, just delete this cluster and again recreate it. Just do that thing, you will get a score on the task number 1 for sure. Okay, just make sure of one thing. When you, for example, if you just click on that like this, and when you just try to create a cluster like this time make sure you have to choose all these things carefully, like Kubernetes cluster, all this thing, private thing. Okay, now this time do not click on this checkbox, just make sure you have to click on this checkbox. So you can try this thing also. Okay, so that's the other way if you didn't get a score on the task number 1 after completing all the tasks. Okay, so that's it for the today's video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, guys. Thanks for watching and have a good day.